He's a heck of a player. 4 years he's been here. He's done a great job. Wish him the best of luck. Got a ton of respect for those guys in black uniform. They're tough suckers. And happy this is for you.
From a senior quarterback.
Playing peekaboo with your animals.
And what Keaton Reynolds Army. What can you say about his performance today?
I like that all year. He's just unbelievable young man, great character. It didn't look too good for us. Found a way to get it done in the fourth quarter.
And you win the Commander-in-Chief trophy. What does that mean to this academy?
We're looking forward to going to the White House.
Thanks so much. Congratulations.
All right, Tracy, thank you. Final score. 13.
Vern, the seniors talked about their word they took for them the whole year was deserto. It's Latin for finish the fight. I believe they finished the fight.
For the 11th consecutive year, however, Nathan will sing second.
You're just so easily entertained, aren't ya? Playing peekaboo with the animals. Peekaboo with the animals. Oh.